welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video, I will cover exercise 4.1 simple equations of class 7th. Okay, so here it is the question number 1. You have to complete the last column of the table. Okay, that is, it is given some equation. Okay, there are 11 equations here. Some value is there. Okay, we have to check is it satisfy this equation or not, and then we have to say it is satisfied, so we have to say yes, and if it is not satisfied then we have to say no. Okay, so here number first is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and we have to put value x equal to 3. So let's see x plus 3, that is the LHS. Okay, so x plus 3 is 3. We have to put the value x equal to 3 here. 3 plus 3, that is 6. So not equal to 0. Not equal to 0, not equal to RHS. So it is not satisfied. So we have to write here no. Okay, like this, for x plus 3 equal to 0 only, x equal to 0 we have to put 0 plus 3, that is 3, not equal to 0, not equal to RHS. So here not satisfied means no. Okay, now next question, that is third part. Here LHS, here we have to put x equal to minus 3 here. So x plus 3, that is minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is satisfied. So we have to say yes here. Okay, have you understood? This is the third part. Now come to the fourth part. Here x minus 7 equal to 1 for x equal to 7. So we have to check LHS x minus 7 and x for x equal to 7. So we have to put the value x equal to 7 here. 7 minus 7 is 0. So it is no. That is not equal to 1, not equal to RHS. Okay, right hand side we have 1 and here it is coming 0. Okay, like this we have the fifth equation, x minus 7 for x equal to 0, sorry, for x equal to 8. 8 minus 7, that is 1, equal to RHS. So here this equation is satisfied. Yes. Like this we have the sixth equation, 5x equal to 25 for x equal to okay students, for x equal to 0. Okay, so here LHS 5x equal to 25, sorry, 25 is RHS. So LHS is 5x. We have to put x equal to 0 here. 5 into 0 is 0, not equal to RHS. Here in right hand side it is 25. So not is satisfied. So here not satisfied. Now for 5x equal to 25, x equal to 5. Seventh is LHS 5x, that is 5 into 5. Here we have to substitute x equal to 5. So 5 5 is 25 equal to RHS. So answer is yes. Okay, like this we have to complete this table. That is the question number 1. Now come to the 8th part. LHS is equal to 5x. Here x equal to minus 5. 5 into minus 5, that is minus 25, not equal to 25, not equal to RHS. So here it will be no. Like this you have to write no. For not satisfied it is no, for satisfaction it is yes. Okay, now come to the, we are left with the 3 parts. 9th, m by 3. LHS equal to m by 3. here m is equal to minus 6 it is given. So minus 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6 equal to minus 2 not equal to 2. Here RHS is 2. So not equal to RHS. Okay. So it will be no. Now come to the 10 part. It is LHS equal to m by 3. Here 0, m equal to 0. So 0 by 3 that is 0 not equal to RHS. Okay. So here also it is answer is no. Now come to the last part, that is 11th part of question number 1. LHS equal to m by 3, that is m is equal to 6 we have to substitute here. So 6 by 3 that is 3 2s are 6 that is equal to 2 that is equal to right hand side. Okay. So it is yes. So like this you have to complete this table, that is the question number 1. The next question is question number 2. Here we have to check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So this is the equation, in the bracket it is the solution of this equation or not, we have to check it. Okay. So here it is given n plus 5 equal to 19. So this is the LHS part, left of the equal to, and this is the right hand side, that is left of the right side. Here n equal to 1, we have to substitute in the place of n 1. Okay. So here LHS equal to n plus 5. So we have to substitute n equal to 1, 1 plus 5 that is 6 not equal to 19 not equal to RHS. So n equal to 1 is not the solution of the equation. Like this you have to write, because LHS is not equal to RHS. If it is coming 19, so that is the solution for that. Okay. Here number B, we have to check for n equal to minus 2. LHS will 7n plus 5, that is 7 into minus 2 plus 5, right? In the place of n I had write minus 2 here. So 7 2s are 14, minus 14, minus sign is here, plus 5. So here this minus 9. So that is not equal to RHS. So n equal to minus 2 is not satisfy, not the solution of the given equation. Okay. Here for n equal to 2, LHS equal to 7n plus 5, that is 7 into 2 plus 5, 7 2s are 14 plus 5 that is 19. So equal to RHS, therefore n equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. Now come to the D part. Here for p equal to 1 we have to check. LHS is equal to 4p minus 3. So 4 into 1 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1, not equal to 13, not equal to RHS. So no, p equal to 1 is not the solution, not the solution of the given equation. Like this you have to solve the equation. Okay. Next is the E part. Here for p minus 3 equal to 13, we have to check for p equal to minus 4. So here we have to put the value of p. LHS is 4p minus 3. So here it is coming 4 into minus 4 minus 3. 4 4s is 16 minus 3. Okay. So minus minus is plus operation and the mark will be, sign will be minus. 16, 17, 18, 19 minus 19. Okay, so that is not equal to 13, means that is not equal to RHS. So P equal to minus 4 is not the solution of the given equation. Like this you have to solve this one. Okay, now come to the F part here. For P minus 3 equal to 13, for P equal to 0. So LHS equal to 4P minus 3. So 4 into 0 minus 3, that is coming to 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. It is not equal to RHS. So P equal to 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Like this you have to solve this one. Okay students, come to the question number 3rd. We have to solve these two equations with the trial and error method. We had I had told you about this method in my introduction video. You can see it. Okay, here P equal to 1. For P equal to 1, I will solve LHS. Okay, 5P plus 2 equal to 5 into 1 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2 is 7. So not equal to 17. Now come to the P equal to 2. 5P plus 2, that is 5 into 2 plus 2, that is 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. Not equal to 17. Equal to 3. 5P plus 2 equal to 5 into 3 plus 2, 15 plus 2, that is equal to 17, that is equal to RHS. So this is the solution for this equation. So P equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. This is the solution and this is not the solution because it is not equal to RHS. You can write here not equal to right hand side, not equal to right hand side. Okay, you can see that 17 is coming if we put the value P equal to 3. Like we have to take here also LHS for M. Here M is the variable. So for M it is M equal to 1, 3M minus 14, that is equal to 3 into 1 minus 14, that is minus 11. Not equal to 4. M equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus 14, that is 6 minus 14, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6, 7. 8. Okay, it is coming minus 8. M equal to 3, 3 into 3 minus 14. 3 is a 9 minus 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 5. Equal to minus 5. M equal to 4. 3 into 4 minus 14. 3 4 is a 12 minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. M equal to 5. 3 into 5 minus 14, that is 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1. M equal to 6. 3 into 6 minus 14 equal to 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4, that is equal to right hand side. So this is the solution. M equal to 6 is the solution. This will not the solution. Like this you have to solve this one. Okay students, in the next video I will come with the next questions, that is question number 4, 5, 6 of exercise 4.1. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.